Okay, now we all know that to watch YouTube videos or play YouTube music in the background on the phone, we need to subscribe to YouTube Premium. But we did have a workaround for this. Without even subscribing to YouTube Premium, we could actually listen to YouTube music in the background even when the phone is locked. Or we could also listen to music or play our videos in the background on YouTube even when the phone is locked. But now Google has officially confirmed that they are blocking this popular workaround that allowed non-premium users to use play YouTube videos in the background on mobile devices, or let's say play YouTube music in the background even when the phone is locked. And they have already blocked this on Samsung Internet application, but there is another browser where this feature is still working, and I'm going to show you that in a bit. First, let's go to Samsung Internet application. Let me show you this. This is MKBHD's video. I'll just play this video on YouTube website. And now what I'll do is I'll just go to the home screen. You can see it goes into the live notification and it instantly disappears after a few seconds. Now, if I go back here, the video is being paused here. Now let me do this again. I'll play this. Now earlier we could actually watch this in PIP mode. You can see we have got this icon over here which shows, and it says this web page does not support pop-up player. So now we can't see these videos on pop-up player. And when I go home, we can't really get to listen to this particular video. It just disappears from the live notifications and it doesn't play in the background anymore. And it's the same with the YouTube music as well. Now there is another browser on which this feature is still working, and that is Brave browser. Let me open Brave here. Let me just play the music without the volume just to avoid the copyright strike. So let me just play this, this particular audio. Now it's playing. I'll just go to the home screen. You can see it is in the live notification and it is still playing over here. You see, I can pause the music here and it is still playing in the background. And this is without even logging into YouTube music application. I have not logged into the application on the website here. You can see, let me just go back here. You can see it still says sign in. So I have not signed into this account and it is still playing this music in the background. And I lock the phone now. You can see on the now bar, the audio is still playing. I can play pause music here as well. And I can also see the banner here. So on Brave browser, this particular feature is still working. But the catch here is this is only working for YouTube music. But when it comes to YouTube videos, it is not working. Let me just play a video here. This is also on a Brave browser. Now what I'll do is I will just go back to the home screen. You see it appears here in the live notification and it just goes away. It is not available here. Let me just go back here and play this again. Now when I go back home, it goes into the live notification, but then it disappears like it did on the Samsung Internet. So at the moment, the YouTube music is working. Even if you have not subscribed to your YouTube Premium membership, you can go ahead and use YouTube music on Brave browser and play audio in the background. You can also lock your phone and play the audio in the background. So that is still working on Brave browser. But the bad news is Samsung Internet is not going to support this anymore. Now let me go back to the Samsung Internet and let's try YouTube Music here. This is the YouTube Music page and I have not logged into YouTube Music here. Now I'll just play a song over here. Again, it says this web page doesn't support pop-up player. And when I go back, you can see it just disappears from here in a second. Yeah, there we go. So even YouTube Music is not working on the Samsung Internet browser, but currently YouTube Music is working on Brave browser. So as long as it's working on Brave browser, you can go ahead and use it. But Google has confirmed that this feature will be blocked on all the internet applications. So the bad news is we will not be able to use this feature anymore going forward. If you really wish to use it, you will have to subscribe to YouTube Premium. That's the only way. So that is something which I wanted to inform you guys in this video. Let me know what do you think. Is there any other workaround that you know you want to share it with us? You can go ahead and drop a comment. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And the wallpaper that you see here on the home screen is available, and this was recently added on Volvo's application. You can go ahead to the premium section and you will see this nature wallpaper. It's a beautiful wallpaper available on the Volvo's application. Go ahead and check it out. The link is in the description. That's all I want to share with you guys. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done it already, go ahead, do that, because you will get to learn a lot about your phone, your Galaxy watches, and a lot more related to technology. So go ahead, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.